Hello guys, this is Miss Ronaldine. So I'm giving you some advice, lalo na sa ating young generation. So what is the importance of living to your parents versus moving out? So most especially when you're living on your parents, mas makakatipid kayo when it comes to finances. Pero syempre kung kaya mo namang mag-move out, try to move out kasi ang dami pong pwedeng mangyari like yung responsibility nyo po when it comes to finances. Yan. So, madami kasing magbabago and nandun kasi yung growth when you move out to your parents. So, meron nga akong friends na kahit na afford niyang bumili ng property, nakatira pa rin siya sa parents niya. And ganito nga yung nangyari. So, ang kagandahan naman nun is, so, yung property na binili niya is pinaparent out na niya. And doon pa rin siya nakatira sa parents niya. So, after na yung kanyang pinaparent is nag-generate na ng income, yun na yung ginamit